The next question, an object 4 centimeter in height. An object 4 centimeter in height. So second question, 4 centimeter in height. HO is equal to 4 centimeter. Is placed at 15 centimeter in front of concave mirror. concave mirror के front में 15 centimeter पर, with minus sign because object here will be. Okay. आप फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर, इनका जो फोकल लेंथ है वो 10 सेंटीमीटर है. So that is always with minus sign because concave mirror. Here the focal length. And at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to obtain a sharp image of an object? कह रहा कितने डिस्टेंस पर एक स्क्रीन रखी जाए जिससे हमको इमेज काफ़ी शार्प मिले. तो इमेज अगर आपको स्क्रीन पर लेनी है मतलब इमेज रियल होगी तभी स्क्रीन पर मिलेगी. और कितने डिस्टेंस पर रखा जाए इमेज से वो स्क्रीन, यानी आपसे इमेज कहाँ पर बने ये पूछ रहा है, तो हमें V चाहिए. सो नाउ फ्रॉम द फार्मूला ऑफ मिरर, फ्रॉम द मिरर फार्मूला, 1/f is equal to 1/v plus 1/u. 1/f is 1/v, 1/u minus 1/10 plus 1/15 centimeter. So 1/v is equal to 10 and 15 means 30. 10 3s are 2s are. V is equal to 30 centimeter minus 30 centimeter. So now actually minus 30 centimeter. Let's see the answer. Yes. And also question, calculate the height of the image. Height of the image also asking. So you know very well M is equal to I/O is equal to V/U with minus sign. So I, you will calculate image size. Object is provided 4 centimeter minus V. V's value is coming minus 30 centimeter. U value is minus 15 centimeter. 15 2s are. So I is equal to minus 8 centimeter. So image will be real inverted in front of concave mirror and size is minus 8 centimeter, where minus showing that image will be inverted. Okay, 8 centimeter will be height of the image. Okay.